Welcome to the chain tutorial on hEDGE. Once you get to the chain tab, simply go to the upper left-hand corner, type in the symbol for any underlying you'd like to look at. Let's say it's Microsoft, MSFT, click enter, and a chain will pop up. This little blue dot right here indicates that we have an open position. When we click on that and open that chain, we can see that this -1 means we have sold one put and at 195, and it looks like we've also sold a call at 245, meaning we have a strangle open in Microsoft right now. If we'd like to look at a position at a future date, let's say we want to go 49 days out, December 18th, we simply open that up. We come in here, and on the put side, let's say we wanted to buy a put, we could click on the ask side. You see the little green one. That means we're positive one, we've bought one. Click again, we now have 2, 3, and so forth. If we decide, that's too much, we want to go the other way, we simply click on the bid. That brings us back to 2, back to 1, back to 0, and then if we click on that, you'll see that we've now sold a put in Microsoft 2, and the same thing if we want to eliminate. We can do the same exact function on the other side as well. On the call side, it operates just the same way. If we would like to add stock, we simply click the button. It will add 100 shares or more, depending on what you want to do. Let's say you wanted to analyze a covered call. You can put in the number of shares that you would like. Click on, the call side, whatever price you want to sell at, and it will analyze that for you as well. As always, you can find tutorials for all of the other features on our app on either our website or YouTube page. Thanks for watching.